Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Pandas Exercises, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library for Python. It provides data structures like data frames and series, along with a wide range of functions to manipulate and analyze structured data. In this tutorial, we will cover a series of exercises to help you practice and strengthen your skills with pandas. Each exercise comes with a code example and an explanation to help you understand the concepts better. Make sure you have Python and pandas installed on your system. You can install pandas using the following command. Now, let's dive into the exercises. Objective: load a CSV file into a pandas data frame. Code example. Explanation: in this exercise, we use the read_CSV function from pandas to load a CSV file into a data frame. We then print the first 5 rows of the data frame using the head method. Objective: explore and understand the basic characteristics of the data frame. Code example. Explanation: this exercise demonstrates how to get basic information about the data frame, such as data types and missing values, info method. It also shows how to get summary statistics of numerical columns, describe method, and find unique values in a specific column, unique method. Objective: select specific columns and filter rows based on conditions. Code example. Explanation: this exercise demonstrates how to select specific columns and filter rows based on conditions. We create a new data frame with only the selected columns and another data frame containing data for a specific country. Objective: perform basic data manipulation operations. Code example. Explanation: this exercise demonstrates how to add a new column to the data frame, perform group by operations, and calculate aggregated values. These exercises cover fundamental aspects of working with pandas. Practice these concepts to enhance your skills in data manipulation and analysis using Python. As you become more comfortable with pandas, you'll be better equipped to handle real-world data tasks. ChatGPT